Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency really is? Or maybe you've heard words like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and thought, is this just internet money? Let me break it down for you, super simple. First up, crypto is short for cryptocurrency. Think of it as money, but it only exists online. There are no coins or notes you can hold. It's all digital, flying across the internet. But what makes crypto special? It's built on something called blockchain. Imagine a giant notebook open for everyone to see that records every single transaction. No one can erase or change what's written, so it's super secure. And instead of one person or bank controlling the notebook, it's spread out across thousands of computers worldwide. That's what we call decentralized. No single boss, no single point of failure. So what can you actually do with crypto? You can send money to anyone, anywhere, often faster and for less money than banks charge. You can invest, trade, buy stuff. Some companies accept crypto as payment. And with some coins, like Ethereum, you can even run little programs called smart contracts. Now, let's talk numbers. How many crypto exchanges are there? An exchange is like a digital bazaar where you can swap your rupees or dollars for crypto or trade one crypto for another. As of 2025, there are about 1,492 active crypto exchanges worldwide. If you count every exchange that's ever existed, that number bumps up to around 1,637. Most of these are centralized, meaning they're run by a company. But there are also decentralized exchanges, run by code and the community. But honestly, only a few hundred are really active and have good trading options. What about wallets? A wallet is like your personal crypto locker. It stores your digital coins. Now, depending on how you count, there are over 84 million crypto wallets in use globally. But if you only count wallets that actually hold some crypto, that number is still massive. Over 400 million. And these numbers are growing super fast every year. So, crypto is more than just a buzzword. It's changing how people think about money, security, and even the internet. And if you're curious about how it all works, or want to stay updated on the latest financial trends, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm starting a new series just for students, breaking down finance topics in easy language. So hit that like button, subscribe, and get ready to learn something new every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.